San Marcos house party ends with deputies arresting 4 different people, hitting one of them with a taser, and of course it's all caught on camera. You can see here the deputy, that's him standing in the doorway. About 25 people at this party, a lot of them underage. You can see in the video it starts with kind of some shouting back and forth, some arguing, a little yelling. Then it starts turning into a pushing match, and that's when deputies kind of say enough is enough. They started making arrests at that point. It wasn't long until our camera got to the scene. You can see one of the men in handcuffs, handcuffs around his wrists there. Take a look at the taser wires as we run up there, stuck in his back. This all happened just before 11 o'clock. Now, police got the call to the 1400 block of Borden Road because neighbors were complaining there. In the end, they arrested people for everything from drug possession to resisting arrest.
Right,